Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software, AI White Label. This software is for small business and startup. If you wanna save money and time by using ready-made AI tools for customer service, marketing or data analytics, and you can use it for e-commerce stores. Add a feature like personalized product recommended and Gatebot to improve customer experience. You can use it another thing like marketing agency. Offer AI powered tools like content creation or ad optimization to clients under your own brand. Banks Banks and finance companies use AI for fraud detection, credit scoring, or virtual financial advisor. For more information, you can put in the link in description. Like see here, there is a lot of tools to this software. Enjoy in your day.